Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome back and welcome to those of you who have just stumbled into my channel. Today I'm showing you the wrap up on a kit that I started at Embellish Kits Play All Day, and I'll link to my other videos at the end of this video that tell you more about that. But I'm just going to pick up where I am on this kit. I started it, like I said, I started it in class, and when I saw this paper that was about being at home with lots of green, I thought that I would definitely do some pictures of my yard and my pets because I am very happy at home, and I also know that my dogs look really good in green. Their reddish color goes nice with green, and I thought this would just be a nice page. So I decided to mat the photos on the left side in black, and then I experimented with the ones on the right. I really like to fit a lot of pictures onto a page, which sometimes gives it a bit of a messy look, but it's really important to me that in this case my pets get properly represented, or sometimes it's friends or activities. And I had a photo of all, well, 3 out of 4 in one photo together. That's highly unusual. It's because I am holding amazing treats in my hand, so all 3 of them came running. And I wanted to fit that. And then you'll see I just took the Let's Stay Home and I'm putting it over the Home Sweet Home that I had stuck down earlier. I liked Let's Stay Home better than Home Sweet Home. So don't hesitate to cover something up even if you already stuck it down. If you can figure out a way, just cover it up. I'm adhering the photos on the left just with my pink Tombow tape roller. Super simple. I matted them with the really cheap $2 pack of black paper and decided that I didn't want a whole bunch of photos on that page, that was plenty. So I left that. It's like a chevron black and white pattern. I'm not sure how well it shows, but I left a lot of that showing, and I do like that paper, so that was fine. I had stuck down the Y in the word lovely there at the bottom in class, so it took me a while to loosen that up and I had to cut it. But the idea was that a 4x6 photo would tuck behind it and the sticker would overlap, kind of combining the elements on the page. It was a good idea, but you have to pay attention in class. Sticking that down, and then I'm going to see what I can do with these photos on the right as far as fitting them all in and making the page kind of tie together. In this kit, just like in the last one, I of course didn't go with the recommended photo sizes or number of photos, so I have to improvise because of that. But I think that's okay, right? You see a page that speaks to you and you take it in the direction that you want to go. And I like that sticker with You I'm Home, and it says keep life happy and always lovely. And there's a bit of a spot there, so I just put it down. And then I'm gonna, on the right side, I really had trouble deciding because part of me wanted to mat all of those photos in black. Space was really tight, and I really honestly didn't feel like doing it. And then I experimented with a piece of black paper behind, and then finally I just decided I'm just gonna glue them down the way they are. I'm gonna just call it good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I trimmed them down enough that they fit, and then I'll just line them up and make them fit on the page and not worry about the matting. The left page has a lot of white space and is pretty open, and then the right page, well, it's just a little bit different. But I think that's just how this page is going to be. They don't always have to match perfectly and have the perfect balance. But I really thought that these pictures, these really captured us and our house and our backyard. And we spend a lot of time just laying around and doing stuff. Neither one of my dogs are Well, they're just not always great in public. The little one is super high anxiety, and the big one is, he's a garter, and he also doesn't get in the truck. So we don't go a lot of places. We hang out at home a lot, and we probably will for the next couple of years. And there you can see I just made a nice little photo grid. I probably should have moved the one up above over, but it's already stuck, so it's fine. And I thought that just laying them out and looking at them helped me. And then this one says good times, and I really liked it too, because I don't stay home just because I don't have anywhere to go. I like being home. So with the good times and it's so good to be home, those were really nice sentiments for the page. And there's a cute little one that says together, and it's a little green sticker that says together. So I looked around on the page, but then I decided it made the most sense on the photo with 3 out of 4 of them all together. So I went ahead and adhered it down there in the corner. And then, oops, forgot something. Here are the instructions for the actual page. You notice those hearts? I'm not really a hearts girl, and I saw them in the chipboard that the words came on, but I just didn't really like them. They didn't speak to me, so I left them off. Then I looked at the chipboard to see if there was anything else, and I always like to do a last scan of the stickers that came with it to be sure that I'm not missing out on anything, because if I set it aside and start making cards, I'll use it all up. And that's it. I just left it just the way it was. And you can see it has a little bit of texture from 3-dimensional things and a bow. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.